Um, Give me 2 seconds. I need to finish making popcorn and also bathroom. So, yeah. And also meow meow. Meow! Give me a second. Yay, I'm back. And the reflection looks really weird. Okay. Well, half of my face is just gonna be just light, I guess, for an hour until the sun moves or something. Um, yeah. I have done the things. So actually, if you notice right here, um, where is it? Here it is. On this video right here, I don't. Yeah, it was this video. I was talking about me organizing my computer and all of that. Well, I actually did that. So the two hard drives that I had are now out of my computer. So yeah, just have a terabyte of crappy old hard drive storage just chilling. Don't worry, I wiped all the data, so that's the part that took, darn it, forever. But yeah. Also, whenever I rebuilt my computer, I forgot to put in one of my SATA connectors, so I had to do both of the drives individually, which kind of sucked and was really slow and annoying. But yeah, no more drives there. Everything is now moved. So yeah. And I'll have a new thing for just pictures and all of that. See, it's different. Desktop, it's different. I have emulators, a lot of them. I gained a few emulators. I think I downloaded these two. Yeah, those two. And I have a few more games right here. So I have all of these on the DS. I have all of these. The GameCube, GBA games, PS2, PSP. I have Daxter. Wii games, 360 games, and all of that. Also, Steam library, I did stuff with that. Also, shader cache. Oof. Yay. But, yeah, that's, yeah. And, where is it? Programs. Yay. Scroll down. Yeah. Just gonna open up Unity. And open up Downhill. And also, I'm gonna do two other things. We're gonna head over to Google Drive. And this. And also, we're going to we're going to do this. We're just gonna throw this on.
What's up, guys? This is Heis, and yes, you read the title correct. We are back at Railroads of Time.
Jeez, I have that really loud. Alright, so that's gonna be running in the background just so I have stuff to listen to, really. And yeah, we're gonna be doing a few things. So yeah, I have this list right here. And basically, we're going to be fixing a few things. Also, hopefully we're going to be making a savings system. So, yeah, maybe some more levels. Maybe some skins. Best times on level select. Fix boost meter with animation. This right here. I need to do unhide cursor like text. I can do that really easily and make a template for font. So we're gonna be opening up Paint 3D. We're gonna be making a new thing, and actually not a new thing. We're gonna be opening up Unity projects, downhill, assets, textures, just all the things. And we're gonna load up the level 1 thing right here just so I can check some things. Go back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Control Z. Oh yeah, one thing I was kind of thinking about is adding something like that. And something like that to all of them or something, but that kind of looks bad, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, we're gonna use this as like a template, basically. So we're gonna get the height of it. Okay, lined up. Okay, lined up. It's gonna be 48 high, which is 6 pixels. 6 pixel font. That seems a little bit stupid. Okay, not what I wanted to do.
I don't know.
16. I'm assuming I made this like this. No,
So hence
it's
the
8 by 8.
different depths of ground rent.
Oh,
Interesting. That's a good round. Make sure we never
We're
buy
not.
more than 4 at a time. So.
how did that not? Why did? But whatever. We're gonna be remaking the font.
Two for the price of one. That's kind of exciting. It's very fall and festive. But yeah.
Get out of here.
Let's start with the login count.
So
Logs,
each
and,
letter
go
is
from there.
now
It's always fun.
going to be, I guess, 7 high. So 7 high would be what? I guess just height 7, just straight up just 7.
Last time,
And then
it
if
was
it's
just
7 by
10 meters
7,
track at the time, like a million thousand times. But now I think, if my
right?
memory serves
Then
correctly,
7
you can go up to
times
500 meters at a time.
10
First
would be
line, yeah.
like 170. No, 70.
Yeah,
Why did I say 100? No, 70. Okay. So we're gonna be making like a font template, basically, right here. So now we're gonna do number
I'm
1.
pretty excited for that too. That's definitely like my
Shock.
favorite
It's gonna be
thing
like
about
the
this
same
game was always building those big
as the
mountain
other one.
passes. Like you feel like
As the
you
other
gauge
one.
railroad back in the
Literally
1800s.
as the other one.
And doing that, yeah, very hard.
No, it's kind of bad. We'll do 7 high, 3 wide, I guess. So 1, then we need the 2, which we can just kind of bring up.
Sometimes
Unity,
you need a little bit of the Unity
not
Railways
textures,
madness.
projects, downhill. Um, 2.
Now, this is going to be a whole series, hopefully folks enjoy it. I know that I too have gotten a million comments about people asking if I'm ever going to play Railroads Online again, if I'm going to do it, or if I'm going to experience the new engines and all that fun stuff. And I got to say, for me, the inspiration to come back was I just read this great book that's about the original locomotives from the Denver Rio Grande and the original engineers from the 1800s.
No, not the Rio Grande.
Including like the Montezuma, which is a new engine that's in the game, was the first engine that railroad had. Very
Looks
first
kind of bad.
brand new. Yeah. So it's named
That looks
Montezuma. That
waltz
engine
somehow.
was the first engine for this railroad, and just having that and the feeling of narrow gauge railroading and the excitement of building the alignment, I don't know, it inspired me to come play. And I'm glad that we're here.
No, that looks bad.
Yep.
Okay.
They look a lot nicer, yeah. Yes, that is a Denver, South Park, and Pacific Railroad. Wait, which is a fancy word for. We want it to be fancy. And
That's
all
fine-ish, maybe. It's fine. Free is pretty easy to do. You could round off the corners, and that's about it. And now, so 1, 2, 3. Unless it's backwards, which I don't think it is. Shouldn't be. That'd be stupid. But I will check anyways. No, it is not backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You'd have at least 5 men train crews: engineer, fireman, 2 brakemen, and conductor. And your conductor and rear brakemen
No.
hang out with the caboose.
No.
Once you get by the engine.
1, 2, 3, 4.
really do this thing once the railroad gets underway.
I mean,
Well, so I think with the reskinning of the cars are slightly different prototypes, some of them, so I think they are a little bit different weights, so it's not going to be just as it was before, but the principle will be the same. You know the tractive effort that the locomotive can produce, you know how much the cars and the cargo weighs, and then you do the math.
I'm trying to replicate how the 5 looks, but it's really difficult for some reason. I don't know, I'm just gonna go with the S-looking shape, because that just seems
Yeah.
the easiest. Although if I'm gonna go with like square corners, I could
Last
fill in
I
all
played,
those.
the spline
That actually
just
looks
kinda
better.
hit the
No, I'm gonna
and it seemed really promising. So I'm excited to see
I'm gonna
how
keep that,
the
actually.
trades interact with
Actually,
those splines.
could
I haven't really seen it.
I just get rid of that? There. Why didn't I just think of that, stupid? Whatever. So now we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need 6. So it's gonna be that. There we go. There's a 6. Actually, we'll make it 1 higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 7. Pretty frickin' simple. 8.
I'm excited to see how it all works out.
Again.
You know, this game really
Pretty
does
frickin'
something that
simple.
no other game does. It
And we
really
need
gets
9.
The feel of railroading in that era. That's it pretty well.
Yep,
And
9.
it's one of my favorite games, so I'm happy to play it.
And then 0. Alright.
That's awesome.
Now we need an extra space.
So you're telling me I have a chance. I have a chance of this.
Alright. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So we will lock all of those, and then I guess double maybe.
Well, I'm excited.
Oh, I typed in 16. I meant 18. And then double that would be
Yeah.
30 something, 36. Shouldn't doubles to 72 if I need to.
Because the principle behind
But we want each pixel to be like 4 wide, I guess. No, 8 wide, so yeah, double it again to 72.
Rotating that, the pistons and the wheels moving. It's very important
Alright.
to get the steam engine to stop.
So
Once it's
now
going,
we have made the thing. We have done the thing. So we will Control Shift S this, and guess we could just put it in for textures right here, and we'll say wait, no, cancel, because I need to do something first. I need to expand that down. Wait, no, never mind. Just make 2 different templates, I guess. I don't know. No, we'll just.
Well, so that there's 2 sets
No, we'll just
of
cut.
pistons.
Just cut the canvas,
There's
stupid.
a total of
Whatever.
4.
Save as
2 that
image.
supply power,
Okay.
and 2 that help
Moving
control
on.
power fires. We have basically
Textures,
like
downhill.
a overhead camshaft equivalent in what's called the valve, and that determines when
Number
the steam is
template.
permitted to the actual
There you
piston
go.
that provides the power. And then there's 2 pistons, one on each side on most of
There
the
you
templates,
go.
And they are
We have
offset
knocked
at a
something
90
off of the
degree
list.
rotation
So
on the
yeah.
wheel set. The wheel sets of a steam locomotive are much like the crankshaft on your standard.
And we can make that level
And so
1.
the wheels are your crank, your wheels are your weight, and the wheels are counterweight. And so you have
And then I guess we'll just go up to like 10, just real quick. So textures, downhill, number template.
Based on the boundary conditions of all of the different rods that make up the valve. I've got a great hour-long video called Steam 101 on the channel that really dives into that with visual aids.
Control Shift S, save as.
You need the visuals of that stuff, yeah. So definitely recommend you check that video out.
Unity. projects, downhill lessons, textures. Go to. Yes, I would love to replace it. Then after the number right there, then you just Control Shift Z. You know, you just undo it,
Yep,
and then you do the next one.
exactly the truth with
And then
these
that's
things. And my favorite thing about them is that they don't hide anything. They show you everything. You see the
Yoink.
engine, you see the rods, you see the wheels, you see how it works. It's not like a
Control
car
Shift
or just
S.
locomotive where everything's
Perfect.
tucked in and hidden
So
away
we just
from everything.
do
All
level
of the
3.
mechanics are in view, and you can see
And we
the madness
undo.
of the machinery that really makes steam locomotive come to life. And you're definitely right. You would be surprised at how precise some of that stuff has to be on these
Right now.
locomotives. We were just recently doing some repair work on one of our steam engines that
Okay.
operates at the museum, the Grand Southern number 20. And 20.
Of course,
back in the
RGS
day,
20 needs
the Grand
walk.
Southern
Not
was
even
just
surprised.
absolutely dead. It was Ferrero's
Of course
favorite
it
engine.
does.
It's the one that always
Why
ran,
wouldn't
and
it?
always ran until they parked
Level
it, and then
4.
when they donated it to the museum in the early 1950s, someone from Railroad came to the museum and said, "Never fire this engine up." Okay.
Okay.
And so, you know, lots of dollars
Shush.
later, it got restored and everything. But
Control
there was
Shift
a couple of
S.
railroad that,
5.
and they were doing safe repairs
Do
and
again.
everything, but,
You see, you notice a theme, people?
But they were not safe repairs. And it wasn't that they weren't safe, but you know, they some steam started to leak out of the engine.
Level
We had to take a bunch
6.
of stuff apart, and we had to machine a bunch of custom
I like how I'm
parts.
making all of these numbers as if I'm ever going to make 10 levels.
Over distances
Whatever.
of
Level 7.
So you're talking about some
Like I'm ever gonna get to level
precision.
7. Like, at the speed I'm making levels in the first place, I don't even think I'm gonna get to level 10 within the next 2 streams of this. It's just kind of stupid. Anyways. This is very boring stuff to do, so that's why I'm not really talking or doing
Precisely.
much.
Everything's made by hand. What wasn't
Whatever.
cast was probably forged. The rods were usually drop forged on a
Level
giant
9,
scary
save.
hammer that would have maimed anyone who didn't know what they were doing. And yeah, most everything early on was cast iron or rolled iron
Okay.
or steel, depending on the oldest engine we actually have in the museum was built in 1880. And everyone always says, "Why don't you make that one run? It looks so good. It looks so cool." Well, that's the point of restoration.
Control C.
Yeah. So the boiler was made out of
Control
wrought
V.
steel, and the way that they made wrought steel introduces a lot of air pockets amongst the grain structure of the steel, and it's
Oh,
pressure
it's-
vessel. So it
oh,
means that if
transparent
you suddenly
canvas
wear the
shenanigans.
air pocket, you can suddenly blow the locomotive up at the drop of a hat, which is not good. So that's why I'm getting lost in the woods. You know, they're unfamiliar to me,
Okay.
being that they're all. I think these are all aspen trees these days for the fall variety. It's kind of. I do
And then
like
we
that
will
touch
fill in
that,
this because it's transparent canvas, which is why it's doing that stupid crap right there. But whatever. And there is level
Yeah,
10.
mix would be cool. Mix would be really cool.
Level, ugh, not 19.
Well, the aspens. I mean, if this is trying in Colorado, which a lot of the
What?
locomotives are that or found.
Okay, whatever. We're done. No, don't save. We're done.
Mixed in.
Good gracious,
spritz
man.
throughout the
Okay.
pines, it's really
Textures.
in this time of year.
Now we have all of these levels.
The aspens are gold amongst
All Sprite 2D. Alright.
Well, then it's been done once,
How
and there it is,
big
ladies
is the
and gents.
texture? You didn't tell me how big the texture is, so I can't tell how big the texture is. Go to the main menu.
It has to be.
But that looks
It can't be.
better. How big is the texture? Can I, no? What?
Can you still use the diamond crossover? Because I know that was like the big tip. Use multiple
Okay, I swear there was a thing to where down here you would. Oh, here it is.
We will learn these tools.
32 by
and,
64.
Just like last time, I will not master them, but Khan probably will. So.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom. That's on levels. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, this is nothing. I'm done.
This is gonna take forever.
I'm gonna place my first stretch of rail here.
But that is how game development do be walking.
And yeah,
It
that's
just takes
way
literally forever.
easy. And you know, the procedural ties do look really good. I
So,
really enjoy.
you know.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. So they are 50 apart and
It looks
okay.
so much nicer. Yeah. It was really weird previously because you just lay your track, you know, on top of the groundwork, and then some people would sink the groundwork in by like doing like a pass, and I could hardly stand to make the first pass of the because I was bad at it. Right. So I never did that, and it always
Hello.
looked weird. To
Why
me,
did you not change texture type? What? What in the?
you can hold the track in place.
They're not.
If you don't have ballast,
Can you not do that? Can you not just bulk do that? You have to do it for every single frickin' one.
What a locomotive will do to the rail when it wants to move it. It is terrifying.
How long do you want this to take? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. What I don't get is it let me do all of that for the for the maximum size, but not for the texture types. What is? So why do you? I don't even know. It is so stupid.
But yeah, so the way that
But
it works
I
is that, you know, the track is anchored in its
persist.
original
Okay. Now we can go to level 3.
location so that
Don't.
there's no degrees of freedom.
Level
It
2.
doesn't just hold it straight down. It prevents it
Level
from
low.
moving left, right, up, down, or rotating
Okay.
in any direction. The way that we designed it, which is
Now we go to level 4. 350.
super heavy duty rail, lots of clips,
Level
and
loader.
gently,
I didn't even go up to
just
10 on
rigid as
this.
heck,
Dang.
and then it's designed in mind so that you never get
1, 2,
excessive
3,
lag.
4.
Portions
5
along the line,
is
you have
next.
gradual curves,
So we're gonna be at
horizontally, make sure
200.
you're not overstretching
Oh, that's a little much.
It is kind of insane,
Oops.
isn't it?
That's at 350. Okay,
Really?
that's 300, not 200. Level 5. Level loader. Level 5. You see, this isn't it's not hard, it's tedious. You see, that is the difference with what we're doing right now. This is not difficult to do, it's really annoying to do. That is it. But, yeah, no. Do we do 150? No, now we do 200. Gotcha. We're loading level 7, 8. Now we can do 150, which is nice and easy to do here actually. So 150, this is level 8. So we do level 8,
Well, I had lots of
level 9.
okay? You understand? The entire map is forest.
we gotta load level 9. Level 9. And then before we do anything else, we're going to edit the script, make a new void. Oh, I do have it. Well then, why isn't that not? Because I do have a level 10. I didn't do up to level 10. So why isn't... okay. You're at 100, so you'll be at just 50.
We are stacked in.
And I guess we'll find where level 10 is. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's after the 1, because that makes sense. It actually does make sense because of how the numbers ordered and all that.
Mode is where you can lock the track to a perfect circle of your specification. If you check circle mode on, and that's probably the smart move out there. So
Anyways. Yay, I won! Whatever. Alright.
yeah, so like a true.
So that is all of the levels, at least for now. And probably in the near future, that's going to be all of the levels in total. That is literally going to be like all the levels I make, like, ever. Because, reasons, but whatever. I do need to do something, though. Which is something that I've noticed whenever I was watching back my streams.
I have a sheet. This is degree.
Can you tell me what's different about this button
So yeah.
and this button? I'll give you a hint. It's a letter. Can you tell? Tell what's wrong?
Yeah.
No.
That's definitely a super.
I'll give you a hint.
Definitely.
It's the R. The R. It's bad. The R is bad. You need to fix the R. We seriously need to fix that R. I don't know what I was thinking with this R. Get the freaking magic select. Okay, where is this the one I do, the 112? Oh god. After I lock the aspect ratio, resize the image to canvas size.jpg. Okay, cool. Just
The whole circular portion of the curve.
oh my god.
I'm gonna have to mess with
That's
but I'm still trying to spiral my way down to the mountain and get back to where I cut trees. I'm trying to keep
two
the grade as light as
ones
I can.
and
I know
then
you can keep a-
one long boy down. Alright, 896. And there you go.
Yeah, it's funny
Yay,
how-
now they match. That was so annoying.
Right.
Like, that was seriously so annoying whenever I first noticed that. That was so bad. But it's now fixed, so yay. Dunk. Yeah. Actually, whenever you, so it's unload levels, go back to main menu, save, and then head to levels. Speaking of levels, on the pause screen, whenever you press basic, does it get rid of the, yes, it does get rid of it.
And we still consent to
Okay.
use the space.
Cool.
Thank goodness for that.
So it gets rid of the fancy player's reflection
Are
probe.
you seeing the alignment that I'm building? Yeah, probably.
So if we hit basic, gets rid of the reflection. We hit fancy, gets it back. Okay, cool.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're gonna have to do it.
And I guess you could. Ow.
We're gonna get real railroady here. Real technical.
Oh. Oh. That looks stupid. I need to fix that.
Yeah. You just run around the bars and then
Okay. First of all,
tank engine, whatever you gotta do to
get rid of
just make it
HDR
work.
actually, yeah.
And sometimes they did crazier things.
Sure.
There's,
There,
in
fix
one of the
that
recent
real
videos
quick.
on my channel, I talked about the book that inspired me to want to play again. And it has all these amazing stories from the Narrow Gauge. I can't read them word for word because, copyright and stuff. But there was a bit on the Denver
Okay,
South Park and Pacific,
cool.
the one that has the way car in the game, where their train got stuck.
So how much better is that already?
They got snowed in, avalanche came in.
Can I see the frickin' walls through
Another
the thing?
avalanche came in.
How
They couldn't back up because they had to do something.
how the frick does that walk? Just saying.
And so they just
That's not how
jacked up the
logistics walk.
locomotive onto
Okay,
the
that's
ice,
not how that
oiled
walks.
the track and the ice, and spun
I think it
the
has to do
locomotive
something
around
with the material, maybe?
across the track.
Yeah,
They just
rendering
picked it
mode
up,
is
put it on
transparent.
ties
That's
by
not
hand,
how that should be.
and then
It
spun the
should be
locomotive around
opaque.
so it faced the other way, and
Yeah,
then
I
put
need
it
to
on the
change
other end
it.
of the
Okay,
train,
opaque.
and then drove back down. You couldn't.
Opaque.
You physically could not.
Okay, that is probably 1,700 times better now.
There's just no
It looks
way.
proper.
It's
Yep,
amazing.
fixed it. Why was it like
This is what we gotta
that?
do. Oh
Why
my
did I
God.
do frickin' stupid transparent shenanigans? No. Whatever.
Well, I suppose the other option for them at the time was wait until a snow slide hit them and buried them and knocked them off. the
Also,
mountain.
we're gonna
I mean,
do,
the thought of, okay, I know
Okay,
we
then
should
we're gonna do
fix
half.
this. Insanity.
Hello? No, what? What the frick?
That is the biggest.
Whatever.
Did you use the same one before or something?
Okay.
People have to
Sure. And you're also. Oh. No, you aren't. Oh, you should be. Bouncy boy.
It's been 5 to 6 months since I've been playing this.
Okay, good. All opaque. Although the basic mobile has an extra space in it. That's annoying. Yeah. The basic dialogue box. Yes, cause that needs its own thing.
I need a tutorial.
Dunk.
What's up, guys?
Also, we can change this back to just player.
What's up, guys? This is Ken. We're playing Railroads Online.
Oh.
I have noticed that the one
Oh, are we now? That's interesting.
there used to be way more bugs with Monkey.
It's fine.
The only
Yoink.
bugs is just like the preview of the ballast is overlapping what I'm trying to play.
Alright, another thing. We're going to drag this into pre-flabs. Pre-boy flab thing. Pre-boy. And also, and not really. Okay.
This is so much
Cool. Well, now we have the prefab.
yeah.
So now what we can do is head to level 2, get rid of this player,
Yeah. Someone did some math.
throw in this player,
Really proud of it. Shows we can't-
and we, okay, well, that's not functioning at all. Why aren't you walking?
Okay, well, I'm slowly working my way
Frick.
back. I still haven't really
Okay,
gotten
press
down
R.
off the hill, but
No?
I've
Hello?
You know what? To heck with it. I'm
Sir?
going to just make a big film, and we're just going down.
Oh, does it?
percent
Does it
down
not
this fill. Being a little silly.
do
It's-
this?
You'll,
Does
you'll,
it?
you'll laugh at me. It'll be fine.
No, it's just not jumping. That's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Doesn't need to jump. Variable of spawn point has not been said. No, that kind of makes sense.
You know, I spent the whole beginning of this episode running through the woods cutting trees, and now that I have played this track back from the logging camp, I'm having trouble finding the path that I cut through the trees. So, you know, life's hard.
Okay.
We'll figure it out. Yeah, there's
Did that
definitely
just
two paths,
really?
you know.
That's why I couldn't move?
Railroad lines.
Something that doesn't even relate!
You'll follow the track. You'll find it.
Whatever. We've done the thing. LOL. Although the wind trigger didn't work. Why did you not walk? What? Where the frick is the wind? What?
Yeah, it's really nice. Whereas I mean, you were just eyeballing everything before, and if you didn't have the crossover pieces, there was no guarantee that you were ever actually.
Where the frick is the trigger? Oh, there it is. Oh. You have to define that
habits die hard.
every
Yeah, I'm
time.
playing track the way that I used to, and haphazardly and freehand, and I'm sure that
Oh.
my audience is probably just yelling at me like, "Come on, can't you have the power now, Heist? What are you doing?" And I'm saying, "I'm building this railroad, son."
Okay, well maybe that's a little, yeah, it's a little stupid.
Well, hey man, sometimes the lowest bidder is the one that makes it happen. So, you know.
What in the, what? I don't know what is going on right now. I need to make new prefabs and all that because this is weird. Okay, light. Where is the light? The light. The light is not included in this prefab.
Pay more money refixing
The
things.
end
Yeah.
platforms,
Yeah,
the spawn, the wind trigger, and the cameras
just send it, man. Just get rid of
all
it.
can be made into a
Trees are in the way of trade.
prefab somehow. I forget how you do that, but they definitely need to be.
Yeah, it's nice to know
Oh, what?
challenging when there's trees. Oh,
Where's
I
prefab?
encased myself in red. Okay. Oh, but you can easily delete yourself out of it. Okay. That is a recoverable.
Okay,
state.
whatever. Create empty. We'll say
That's right. It used to be,
when
upon pain of death, you were not getting out from underneath this ground.
platform.
You entombed yourself.
Oh yeah, for some reason the cameras are here. They should.
I'm right there with you. You know,
Frick.
it was good to take
No,
the break
what?
that I
No.
did.
Frick,
and
no.
I think
Frick
I needed
off.
it, and it was great to go, and I'm so unbelievably thrilled and happy that I'm working at the Colorado Rare Museum. It's really a dream of mine. So everything worked out in my favor, I think. But
Okay.
it is great
Can
to
I
play this game.
put in
This game is super
the
fun.
things, please?
It captures that
The
adventure
cam,
feeling
the
of
cammy,
getting to go
cammy
do
boy.
the thing and be a real railroad. It really does get that. And
What
when
in
you
the-
get into an
what?
operating session and you're running trains. with
You know what?
guys,
Frick
I've
off.
run
No,
trains
get out.
with other railroaders, and I mean it just feels like you're doing the real work. You're giving car counts. You're switching.
And wind trigger, all of that, wind platform.
The basic simulation that's in the game. How
Spawn point is going to be different for every level. And then whenever I do like the basic objects and all of that, that's different for every level. So we'll just copy the wind platform and we'll just say, oh, it's something else or whatever. So spawn, light, those can be separate. Vis walls, whatever. So spawn can go bye-bye. The light can go bye-bye. The two cameras can go bye-bye. Dialogue box is different. And these need to be on here, so we'll just copy this. And that was the wrong side. Okay. Alright, and then end platform, wind trigger, all of those can go bye-bye. And then, yeah.
So that's a lot of rock to burn away when you're trying to build, a little railroad to go up to the mining town up, through the canyon. And so narrow gauge, they can build these super tight turns and bases. And so
sure.
rather than making a longer engine with more and more drive wheels, an articulated engine that can flex in the middle is actually the ideal solution for bigger narrow gauge power if you can put that power. So I've made it to the sawmill log farm.
This is kind of tricky because I need like the.
And I'm still a little tall.
Because the trigger needs to stay.
Yeah.
Like this. It needs to stay like this.
Apparently. Well, but hey, we just have a big fill coming into the sawmill. It's fine. Drop logs from the side, right?
This. Okay.
It's a thing that happens, yeah.
Because I need the wind trigger to stay, but I don't need it to move with the player, so it's in the wind platform, but I also need to be able to change.
You're gonna get a real kick out of this whole alignment that I built you then. Lowest bidder indeed.
All of that, maybe?
Yeah.
So wind platform,
Hopefully sometime next century.
create another empty, we'll do fancy
It's that moment.
wind platform. Here we go.
I have, yes, that runs all the way past the sawmill. Pay no attention to the alignment at the log pond, please. It's fine. And the grade, pay no attention to the
Okay.
grade changes.
Cool. We're gonna now ignore all that. So yeah, the spawn point is literally just an empty game object that does things, and the light is just a light. So yeah, basic, fancy, all of those, whatever. So I guess we can make a player wind platform, I guess light. Yeah, that's the wind platform. Just the whole thing. Done. There you go.
Yes, indeed. The good old yes, indeed. Yes. So, yeah, but definitely.
So spawn point can stay whatever.
This is the first.
So that doesn't
last
matter.
Piece of alignment. This is the golden spike moment. We're doing the thing. We're connecting
Okay.
the main line.
Oh. Hey, he said it, not me. Justin.
This is a big moment, Con.
Sean Richardson. There you go. That is the complete compressed view of the player.
I saw that
Wind platform.
End caps and the height if there were tracks.
I guess I can't really access stuff within it, but whatever. There you go.
Look at that! Look at that! Golden spike. Super. Oh yeah, that's.
So now we get rid of this player.
Computer did it for me. That's the only reason why.
drop in a new player.
Dude, let's go run some trains.
And it's once again not walking. Okay. So I have to define, what do I have to define
There's another
in
great
the
video
moving
where
script?
you see that whole process.
I have to
Yeah, hold start
define
to get all those automotive people. Such and
the...
but yeah, for the big engine, we take like 12 hours.
Okay, well I need to fix this.
A little porter like Betsy, I mean, even if you just let it draft away on its own. and just
So in the
really
first level, spawn and then light
come up to 10 and start making
will
and
separate.
it'll probably be ready to rock.
So we'll just bring this spawn out. No, that's basic spawn. We don't want basic spawn. We want fancy spawn, because that makes so much of a
He's already
difference.
deleted my track work.
Alright, don't need the light. That is a prefab now. And then basically the light will just, you just change where it is. Basically, really. Basically, really. Yes, sure.
Best friends, so.
Cameras. Bye-bye. The end. Bye. What the frick? Bye-bye. 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 And I think, because I was doing some testing, like, off camera, and whenever I was booting up, see, I have all the downhill betas, 0.1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I was loading up beta 0.4, I noticed that whenever I would switch, like, try to switch camera angles, it walks, right? When I go into basic, you know, it doesn't walk now. Now it doesn't walk. And I know why now. So, yeah. Do you want to know why that wasn't walking? Because the cameras will over here instead. Which is not how that should be, but whatever.
This actually looks like a really
Alright.
smart setup. This is probably, I have thought
Yep, walls all good. Cool, wind platform.
And I studied and
Yep, that's perfect.
just gone and built a better one than I ever did. So, congrats.
Well, you know. Alright, and then the only thing I really need to change is whenever you go into like the pause screen and whatever, and whenever you hit basic, pause screen, this. Oh, it says a
The
script.
kettle is almost
Oh.
done. We almost have it boil soon.
Oh, well, that's convenient.
Dude,
Okay.
Betsy, she's a little cutie. Little class B porter, super cute, itty bitty choo choo. Yeah.
Basic end, fancy end. So then, whenever we do stuff like this, and we do like no fancy and all that, we'll do this. Whenever we do yes fancy, we'll do this. And then we'll simply, if not a 3, we'll change that to an E.
Oh yeah, buy some cars.
So FE and BE.
Oh no, they're just they won't have names. They'll be
Fancy, no fancy. False, true, false, true. Yes, fancy, true, false, true,
For the,
false.
we're the
Okay.
unnamed Betsy Railroad
Yeah, that still walks because of reasons. Yeah, we'll just compile that real quick. Go pause screen. And here we go.
It's fine. It's fine. I like to.
So fancy, basic,
Right.
then we head into here, basic, and then, oop, nope, fancy. Yep. Okay.
Oh, so maybe we should save one of the copies. of
Okay,
the
well,
grant and buy another one.
We still have to define the spawn
You
point.
buy
Oops.
as many cars as you can.
I
And then I'll buy us the first locomotive.
somewhere in that mess. There it is. Where is our current spawn? Right there. Alright, that walks. So now when we play the
I need to
game,
let everyone know that I'm going to move. It's for safety.
basic.
And danger.
Oh. That's a bit of an issue, isn't it? Okay, well, we'll ignore that. Basic.
Oh man, I had a spinning popcorn and I thought you could spin the train for a brief second.
Basic, no trail. Oh, because this light is still there. Yeah, well, I'll fix that, actually.
Oh yeah, client render distance. That flat card is gone off my end.
Flight. Fancy objects.
That is still a thing.
There you go.
So just let
That
me know
fixes
I'm
that
about to
entire
plow right
thing.
through it.
So now when we hit basic, no trail, now we get, well, basic, no trail. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's why I unparented it. Well, whatever.
10 or 15 cars back.
Can we lock the rotation? Is that a thing? Can I, like, lock the rotation? Static? Is that how that works? Static? Static? Can I do static and have it not do that?
I'm gonna chase after you with me
Nope.
and my train.
Okay. Well,
I guess we'll find out. The chuffs sound like they used to. It doesn't look like we're going too terribly. We're able to
that's
report.
kind of bad.
We got one more to find out, so I guess we'll see. Right, just, yeah, precisely. Reline it to the main.
Well,
Looks like the next switch is lined for us. So I'm just gonna
we're gonna have to do some shenanigans right here.
Nope,
Okay, we're gonna have to
accidents today.
create
Avoid it.
empty
This isn't the ES&D. We're not trying to do things
player. And this is the actual, like,
like that. Yeah, the trains are loud. I forgot how loud
hello.
they are. Oh, I jumped out to turn mine down too.
So we're,
And
I
it,
guess we'll
like, you
we'll
didn't
call
jump it
both of
down.
them player and then have the other one be player plus.
You've got it. Take over. Oh, I'm
Player
popcorning in and
plus.
out of the car.
Pretty sure that's what he did with Evo's own, so we'll just do that. Drag and drop.
Yeah, this is not the bad one. This is
And then this is how I'm gonna get around that. I'm just gonna put these into player plus instead.
out of
That
10,
way we
this
don't
is not
roll
bad.
around and whatever. So that's, yeah, it's a
Okay.
thing.
There
You can kind of just do that.
was a
So
really bad one
yeah.
earlier that, yeah,
There you
you'll
go.
have to watch my POV to get that because I deleted it because it was bad enough that I was mad about it, which means it was bad.
Cool.
You know,
Wee.
sometimes-
That's a really cool moment in this
sometimes
level.
The angle of the grid snap
Except the wind
makes
trigger
sense,
didn't
and
walk.
you didn't realize
Oops.
it until you got through it, and you look back
Of course
and
it
went,
didn't.
well, that looks like
Oh,
bad,
that's why it
whatever.
didn't walk. Because it has none of it. Okay. We'll get rid of this. Delete.
Should be really easy to fix, yeah.
Dunk.
That's the nice thing. It's no more.
And
pain
now it's just
deleting
nothing.
1,000
That's
segments
it's
and
fine.
then having to redo it. Now it's
And
just
we'll
like,
go wind
add
trigger.
one or two.
And now we gotta do all the things. So windscreen. Okay, we gotta go into here.
Yeah, avoid the
Get rid of all this. Okay.
Get extra dynamite.
Wind trigger. Windscreen jump timer.
Don't worry, we filmed
So
onto the dock.
this one?
Dock is now structurally a part of the railroad. It's fine. And here's the %.5.
Wait, if I have a frickin' hold on, wait. Oh, wait a minute. No.
Okay? It's
Hold on. Where did that go? Okay, cameras, those make sense. I know why I need that. Rigid body makes sense. UI, that's destroy on win.
Yes, because any track you make will look perfect compared to mine. That's how this works.
Okay, I don't need all of that unnecessary stuff. I I don't need either of
Oh
those.
boy. He's putting me up to the task, ladies and gentlemen.
Where's Destroy on Wind?
I like this. It's gonna be
UI.
interesting. People will just have to live in fear of what I will create next.
There you go. Cool. So now instead of having all that unnecessary shenanigans, I can simply, well, go over here first. UI, that's going to be Destroy on Wind. Rigid Body is going to be the player's rigid body, of course. And then all the cameras and all that. Cam free.
Yeah, about a mile an hour for each
to
driver diameter. A little
main
bit
camera.
less on the small end and a little
And now
bit
technically
more
that should have the same
So that's
functionality
24-inch
and shouldn't
drivers.
be more
Probably
and
doing
shouldn't be
the
spaghetti,
17 mile an hour that we're
which
doing.
is
That's
the
probably
plan there.
actually her top
And the Invisiwalls don't seem to be walking.
Yeah, that
Okay.
whole section there, I laid it and I didn't look back.
Well,
and
the
I should have.
Invisiwalls are now gone.
Oh,
Whatever. We don't need those
Yeah,
actually.
Betsy in these
So
cars, all
yeah.
this is fine, but
I
yeah.
actually don't need the Invisiwalls because we're gonna fix that in a different way. So goodbye Invisiwalls. We don't need you.
Yes.
Frick you. It's fine. Okay.
I guess so.
Yeah, we don't need the Invisiwalls because they're kind of useless. We're just gonna make something to where whenever you do stuff, you're just kind of die and whatever. Yeah, there you go. Your time, whatever. I'm gonna have the thing I was talking about, like show best times on level select. I'm gonna use this as that, obviously. Yeah, we're gonna ignore that.
Ah, yes, we're hitting Sunny Loggers.
Did I make that prefab? Yep. Okay, cool. Save. This is level 2. We're gonna go to level 1. We're gonna delete that. And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna once again get rid of the Invisiwalls because they're kind of stupid and useless. Goodbye, Invisiwall. Okay, I already did the light thing. And you ready?
Train handling wise, you know what?
Dunk. Hey, look, we have a game now. Isn't that fun?
The biggest thing is managing tension and compression.
Alright, spawn, there you go, all of that, done. And then on the wind platform, wind trigger,
And so we can
wind screen. Okay, here we go.
on the uphill side of the train.
So cam 2, cam 3,
Yeah, and compression.
the main camera, the player's rigid body, I'll get that in a second.
Yeah, I mean, you could do both.
UI is destroy on wind.
You need to kind of pick one or the other and then try not to go between them and try not to go between them too hard. That's
Wind screen, and finally the player's rigid body. There you go. And that's basically how quickly you can set that up.
tension.
Although I do still need to do all of these. So basic, close all of that. Fancy, basic, and fancy. And then yeah. Save that, go back to level 2, and then do that on this pause screen. Yep, did it. Alright, cool. Save, whatever. Load up the main menu. And let's give it a test real quick. Alright, levels. Level 3, level whatever. Those all don't walk, but now we have a template to make more of those. Okay. Oh yeah, we're also going to be fixing the boost meter in this. So, yeah. And actually, I might as well just try this now.
Just casually.
So we're gonna have to once again delete the player prefab if this doesn't walk. However, these, I'm gonna put this down here. Let's see if this boost meter still acts up, because if it does, then we know what the problem was and we know how to fix it. Let's just, I don't know, let's just like, you know, like jump around, move around. No. Wow. That is actually,
Yeah, thankfully
wow.
the tension that we experienced a couple hours and
Oh, I fixed the boost meter. That was easy.
so that it was just
Don't know why that thing wasn't walking.
pure tension or only pure compression.
Yes, I do have to delete this again and redo it. But the reason why that frickin' wasn't walking is because the stupid thing just... Okay, that's so dumb. The frickin'... what is it? The frickin'... The boost meter was moving around when it shouldn't have, which is really annoying. But we fixed it, so whatever. Fancy. Basic.
This is your quick intro to mechanics.
Basic end and fancy end. And then we need to configure the pause screen, which we're still on. Good.
Drop the jargon and the lingo here. Yeah.
On the basic fancy shenanigans. Oh wait, no, that controls. Okay. Never mind. We have to go have fun with the wind trigger. That's what I was talking about. Alright.
There's a neat thing, and I just actually did 2 videos on this subject on the channel that you might want to check out. I do. It's almost like
Destroy on
trains are
wind.
important to me, and that's the whole point of my channel. So
We
wheel
need the
sets
wind
on the train,
screen.
the wheels, they're
We need the player's rigid body once again.
And so what
We
happens
need
is
the
as you go
main
around a curve,
camera,
the wheel
the
rises
second
so that you gotta
camera,
the
and
wheel
the
rises
third
to the outside,
camera.
so that the outside
Okay.
traveling
Cool.
the distance gets the larger radius to
And then
actually
finally
rail.
the spawn point, and then
Inside
we're all
wheel
done.
is the smaller radius.
Here. Spawn point. Alright,
Correct?
cool. We've done the thing.
It does. And sometimes they actually
We just fixed a few issues all in one,
notice it
and
depending on it, and actually sometimes my
whatever.
son-
It's fine. So we still have to do this. I am going
Like, gotta
to
let the whole forest know that we're
get rid of
on the way
this.
down the mountain. So yeah, actually some tracks are actually
I haven't done anything else except mess around for somehow an hour, whatever. But now I need to do unhide cursor when whatever text. So yeah. Press escape to get your cursor back. Yeah, that one. So we're just changing scripts, so this shouldn't really do much. But this is
watch as the wheels pivot and do the dance that they do as they come in and out of curves. And it was some of the most
here.
fascinating footage I've ever captured. That's my favorite thing about what I get to do these days, working in the museum and being on YouTube, is that I get to study these locomotives like no one ever has, ever in history before. Because no one had tech.
we want to name this, I want to do like
Logs and loads. So, okay, well,
cursor text. That seems appropriate. Oop, Control C. think it's this one. Nope. 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 Nope.
I'm trying to keep it like pretty
No.
and authentic. But yeah,
Okay, it's the top one.
authentic garbage.
Alright, cursor
It'd
text.
be a lot smoother
Yay.
if I had spent more time.
And this needs to be true.
Use the circle mode, we'll figure that out a little bit.
And
Pretty and also functional. But you know, as anyone who's ever watched me play this game, they should not be surprised by this line of
so as soon as you actually, you know, do that, then there you go. So if you hide the cursor, then before, you know, then
and now it's gonna be really easy to kind of like
and you
section
can
by
do
section send out
things.
the maintenance away to MOW for get things fixed. Precisely. Look, and magically the track's amazing.
Huh?
Pretty much.
Guess we'll say cursor time. Sure, 5 seconds.
You used to take 3 passes at least to make your alignment. 4 if you scouted, right? You'd scout, you'd cut down the trees, you'd lay the groundwork. You'd lay
We'll
the
do a
track,
new
you'd
method and
You'd have to lay the track again. You know?
call
Or-
this cursor, and in cursor we'll do cursor time
Yeah, just so much work.
is, I think it's
Now
minus
like you
equal,
cut
yep,
down the
time
trees,
delta
you know, the path,
minus
cut down the trees,
equals
the path
to
you wanna take,
time dot
place the track.
delta time.
Groundwork go together. You know, maybe with the embankment tool, maybe we'll have to like we'll try that and see how it works in the map. Maybe it will be another pass, maybe, but it does save a ton of time.
And then somewhere in update
Yeah.
we will do
Are we
things.
delivering to the log pond or to the freight depot? The freight depot. We're going all the way.
So
That's well, yeah, that would be that.
yeah, we'll just do something like
At least
this.
back- you used to get cash at the log
So
pond, too.
if
I think for the first
instead of
delivery, I
that
think
we'll
freight
do
is-
cursor time is less than or equal to 0, yes. Then we want to do
Oh yeah, Montezuma, the speedy boy. I hope
oh my
Montezuma's
god,
fast.
where is it? What in the frick? Okay, cursor text dot set active, yes. Oh my
And then
god.
there should be a T-boiler Shay as well.
Okay. Jeez, man.
Remember the NRG Class 70s, the old version, one of the engines I have at my museum. Denver Rear Grand Western number 346, which is actually getting a huge overhaul right now.
Yep. Cursor time. You can do this, right? Yep. Equals whatever F. So 5F again. Dunk.
I'm really hoping that's the case. The port
So
is
if you
the same
press
speed it was,
this,
but
if you
the port is
hide
already
the
acting at
mouse,
real speed.
then we want to show the cursor text. We want to hide the mouse, and we also want to
Yeah, exactly.
make
Downhill
sure
is flat.
this is
There's a
set
couple
correctly.
surprise sections
Gotcha.
downhill that is together.
However, if we press escape to show our mouse again, then we want to show our mouse, we want to get rid of the text, and we want to set the time back down to 0 again, just because why not?
Right there.
Okay, cool, sounds good. It's just something we have to define, basically.
Nobody died. It's fine. We gotta see this loop. We gotta appreciate real track work. For everyone who's watching my POV hasn't seen good track yet, so.
Hold on, what are you rambling about? What the frick are you talking about?
That would be awesome.
150.
I'm getting a little first-person action going on. I want to feel it. I want to see see the straightness from the cab.
Okay. Then we'll just rename it to cursor text because frick you. Yes.
I think that's the move. Yeah, store
Oh,
the
I never
box
even
there,
did what I wanted to do here.
just shovel those.
That's how you do it. Alright.
Yes.
If you press mouse
height.
0, then we want to call that method in the first place. I didn't even use the frickin' method I did. Why did I even put the method if I'm not gonna frickin' use it?
You know, unit trains
Whatever.
of commodities. really efficient
Anyways,
stuff in
moving
engineers.
on.
That's
Head
what
to
we
the
do. We
player.
solve problems practically.
Cursor text. Now we have to actually make cursor text as like a thing.
Right?
Which means we have to unpack this again.
I read something on the patch notes the last
And
patch.
delete the player again.
Being locomotive money.
It's fine. And we have to add cursor text. Sure. Oh, this doesn't have the billboard thing. Okay. Well, this might be a little bit difficult. Whatever. Head into paint. We'll make an. Okay. We will open up. We will open up the thing right here. We will actually open up the dialog box, the original one, just so we can use it as a reference. And we can head over here. It's way too small.
Just love the car ice. So we had 7 cars, right? So it's gonna be dude 2420. We need $80.
Alright. Just gotta get rid of all of that old original text. Okay.
What?
Bye bye. Yoink.
This? Really?
Alright, bye bye. We head over to text. We do this color, because of course, rainy hearts, old, and it's actually too small. Never mind. We'll go 130. And we just simply do press escape to show your cursor.
Dude, this is 10 different paint schemes.
There you go. Oh, I didn't center it. Yeah. Stupid human.
The weight car with the yellow stacks.
Yes.
I need $80.
No. Alright, we'll fully center it. Press escape to show your cursor. And then in smaller text, we'll say message this, how do you spell disappear?
We can run one more train in the off season and then
Here, yeah, maybe.
Zuma.
Disappear.
That is the name of the game.
It's fine. There we go. Message will disappear after 5 seconds. Okay. That's not Rainy Hearts. Why did it...
Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
That's not what I wanted you to look like. Why did you do that? What? This app here. Why did it do that? I didn't want it to do that, so why did it?
Hey, Con, the train is supposed to be on the tracks. I know that I'm not, like, the expert of all experts, but,
To show...
pretty sure you're not supposed to be in the weeds.
How many times do I want to do this over? To show your cursor.
So, fun fact, spline up. Splines are pretty large. So, yeah, and they merge almost seamlessly.
This app
So it's very
here
one spline in, one spline in.
after
So,
5 seconds.
That's how this happens. Now,
I see.
I guess for the purposes of YouTube, I might as well show you what happens if you try to replace the spline. Because I know someone's going to ask, why don't we're going to have to do all the same.
Why did it...
Oh boy. Let's... Trains to space!
Yeah, well, someone's going to be like, why can't
Hello?
you replace the track
What do you-
underneath the track? That's the first thing I thought, because I accidentally
Why?
tried to replace this switch, right? It was really bothering me. I had the handle on this switch on the other side, you know, and that's just silly. Like,
Why is it doing
it
that?
really bothered me. There we go. I pressed the slide. Everything looks fine.
Press
It was all fine, and then it
escape
exploded.
to show
Train explosion!
your
So anyway, so I'm on the railroad on mine.
cursor.
Back.
We're back. And,
Yeah.
that,
There's a reload here. We can unload that.
Why is it going to that font? I did not ask for you to go to that font choice. It says Rainy Hearts.
might as well sell the
Why are you like this?
It's, not on the rail.
Why? Do you have to?
Someone also said comments. Thanks a lot of comments. I got an email message. Got a lot of drops and stuff. Yeah, someone said in the comments that you can now in this game. I don't know how true it is. Apparently, you can drive through switches and all spring loaded.
Oh, really?
That's someone. I feel like someone's asking for us to try. Do you want to retail some cars? I'm gonna test this theory.
Sure. Someone's out to watch us pee in a cup. Is all I'm
Yeah,
hearing there.
someone's okay. So here we go. I'm gonna flip this switch. Actually, I'll help you figure out this. Watch this. And I gotta replace this slide as well.
Oh, weird. The reroll is different. It definitely just kind of flops the hearts.
Yeah, it just like makes it look like
Well, I mean, you know, that's what you would have to do if you're really re-railing a train. So.
yeah, I don't mind it. If you reassemble everything, and it's kind of hard to reassemble.
Why is it doing that? Why? 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 Why are you going to a different font?
Pile of cars.
Why won't you let me freaking type?
So, you're
I
gonna
hate
run
you.
through a switch.
Why?
We take this switch. What? Oh yeah. Why am I?
Why is it going to a different font? Why?
So it doesn't ghost you, it just drops it.
It's Rainy Hearts. It's a different freaking font. What are you doing?
I see how it is.
Why?
Someone said it was spring. I am holding X.
Why do you do this? Why?
See what
I
happens?
don't
Oh, it did it.
get
Oh,
it.
just keeps
Why are you going to a different
Okay.
font whenever I try to go to the font I chose in the stupid menu?
Back in the day, they did.
What are you doing?
Well, so
Why?
It depends on the style of switch stand. Because some switch stands are called kick switches, which operate just like this, where you hit the points and the points force over and they go to the other rail, and that's fine. They're designed to do that. That said, the style of switch stand model is called a harp switch stand, and it's actually incredibly wrong for it to be used with point switches anyways, but that's getting into really nerdy details that only folks on my channel probably.
Why is there a 60? What is going on? What are you doing?
Yeah,
What is happening? What is going on?
get this around the front, and then we should probably, if we're gonna
Why?
we should probably get that bought and start.
Why are you doing this? Just let me freaking have a thing. Please.
We have named our
I don't get it.
We've decided after reading through, yeah.
we did what most YouTubers do. Read through the comments, realized all you should do is suck.
So why didn't I just do that last time?
That is true.
Seriously, I don't get it. No. You are to do
Or the crap
At-
for short.
specific font and type of font. Why is there numbers in the corner?
Specific, I suppose.
You're not supposed to show that.
It's
What is going on? Why? Why?
It's gonna be great.
What are you doing?
Yeah, so I don't know what you want to name that engine.
I don't get it. What is wrong with you?
It's tough. It's tough. Part of me wants to go historic, and part of me just doesn't.
Also, we do well, does have
What?
crap on the tender.
It does. It does. So I'm seeing.
Get out of here, GeForce Experience. I don't care.
In honor of the
Shut.
Rio Grande, the real Rio Grande, we're gonna buy it as our first engine other than Betsy, of course, because it was the first engine on Rio Grande. It's a two.
Rainy
Yes,
Hearts.
it's very
This
cute
font
and
with this,
fast.
and specifically that.
Stack it. The stacks
I
cost
make
such
my
money,
window.
which is kind of interesting.
Press
Stack.
escape
This is-
to show your cursor.
That would matter. I have $2,660, so I can afford to put a different stack.
Message will
We can do the black
This
one, or we can
app
do
here
style one, all one style.
after 5
It does.
seconds.
Yeah, make the flights do something. Straight stack.
Running trains at night.
And you.
We're gonna straight
Why?
stack it.
Why? Why is it half cut off?
Do we want it to be a-
What is actually wrong with you? Why are you bugging out so freaking bad? Why? I hate you. I hate you. Why are you doing this now? Why? I don't get it. Why are you doing this?
Percent?
You stupid program.
Well, I guess
The bigger tenders will probably be able to work it, but yeah, we're gonna have to
Are you not capable of walking correctly?
No, that's all lowercase anyways.
I don't get it. I don't.
I'm not mad about that.
I don't know why
It works.
it's not
It's
walking. I don't know.
Adds to the crappiness of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
There is no reason for it
the
not
original
to
first
be.
engine for the Rio Grande was called the Montezuma, which is why this model is called the Montezuma. And very good
I
design.
don't
On the channel,
get
suggested
it.
that I name it Montezuma.
Why?
Speedy boy. It's supposed to be a speedy boy. Apparently, I've been told that the speed limits have not been increased yet, but they're working on it. So hopefully, it's still gonna be slow. So it'll be the slow Montezuma. But if Zuma fits, we'll see.
I mean, the slides are a lot better
Montezuma fits, so I sent it. Here she is. This is such a cute choo-choo. I
Frick you.
No, it's got a tender. It's got a cute little 2-axle tender.
Get out.
disconnect.
Get the frick out of here.
And it spawned in with the tender really close, so I wonder if that's gonna change. Heating up the firing on it. The cab looks pretty decent. It's got air brakes, which is nice.
Hello?
I'm such a bad.
That is really nice, because that's gonna prevent most of the derailments.
Well, it also needs working to me, but it doesn't matter what the brake is, how many go.
Yeah, just kick switches, just keep going.
Yeah, it'll always just sit. Oh, have it on a different line. So that might have to
Why is only like half of the freaking lights working? I don't know why.
This thing is so cute. The model's really well
I
done.
don't get it. Get out of the way!
Pretty. I love this paint scheme. Those
Why?
It looks cool. It's
I don't get
the
it.
Slightly later
I don't.
to the 1800s, because the mid to early
I don't know why. The
70s,
freaking thing will not walk how I want it to.
these colors, everything.
I don't know why it's deciding to completely freaking switch the font and do stupid crap that I never asked it to do. I don't know why.
In this paint scheme. It looks cool. God, it's so wacky looking with just two
I will
massive
try
drivers.
one more time.
Get updated, 'cause this thing would be
One more.
The quality of life is just significantly improved.
No, maybe I'll just frick it. Maybe it's freaking out about, I don't know, the freaking upper thing. No. Frick you. Frick you.
Yeah.
Frick
and-
you. No. I'm ending the stream. I don't care.
Right.